Today is Monday, the 28th of December. I woke up early again at 5 a.m. for the sunrise. It was super cold today compared to yesterday, and today the it was really very cloudy, so the sun was struggling to rise up from behind the clouds. It was so cold and I was waiting for so long. I thought I'm gonna give up, but then I slowly see the sky lit up and the sun slowly rise up from behind the cloud, and finally is coming out of the cloud, and now it lit up the whole sky. It was so beautiful. The reflection of the sun on the water is like staircase to the moon. We are leaving Bay of Fire today, probably around lunchtime. We have been staying here since Thursday. It was a really beautiful place. One funny thing about the weather is, for the past couple days we have been staying, the morning it was so warm. It's like super warm compared to the evening. But today, because it was raining last night, so today it was super cold in the morning. But any other day it was really warm in the morning, and there's no wind at all. It was just no wind. I did manage to fly the drone here twice, but then as soon as about 9 o'clock onward, the wind picking up, the weather is getting warmer, but then the wind picking up and it started windy the whole day. Anyway, I am so cold. I'm gonna go back inside, maybe go back to sleep or make myself a cup of tea. Wow, the sun really make a huge difference to this place. We ran out of tank water, so we have to use the water in the jerry can to wash the dishes. Lucky we are leaving today. It's a power side with water. Justin going to reverse the butt of the caravan in here. Keep going. Good. Going. Keep going. Looking good. Keep going.
Yep.
More.
More.
Good.
Yeah, good job. Hình như nó hơi méo.
Okay, stop. I am using the UHF right now. Over. We're gonna ram it up like usual. Okay, stop. We just pulled in this I think it's called Break All Day Town. This is a RV friendly town. This area had allow camper and caravan to stay for 3 nights. There is 2 sides. There's power side and there's water, so we are so lucky. When we arrived, a caravan who stay here just left, so now we get into this spot. There's power there and water as well. It had a second power side for another person to use, and someone is already used it, and lucky they are not a caravan, they just a 4-wheel drive with rooftop tent, and there is playground for the kids to play just right next to us. So we're gonna do a lot of laundry today. This is our area. The power just right there, and the playground, there's some exercise, and the dump point is over there. and we just drive straight out. My mom just did cleaning the caravan. She's vacuuming, she's wiping the floor, so it's all nice and clean now after I can't remember how many days we have been living without electricity, but lucky we got water to wash our clothes. But when we stay at Bay of Fire, we didn't have any water. We rely on 2 tanks of water and 2 jerry cans. We arrived on Thursday at Bay of Fire, and I think we stayed there for 4 days, just over 4 days, and we already used 2 tanks of water and 2 jerry cans. Each jerry can is like 20 liters. I think it's because the girls went to the beach, and so we used a lot of water to wash up. But yeah, otherwise we didn't spend that much of, and drinking water.
Okay, xong chưa?
We didn't do any washing, so all the laundry is stacking up, and like thank goodness we arrived at this break all day town. This RV friendly area had power, like thank goodness, and it's free. Like this is the first time that we're staying in a place that free power. How cool is that? Very cool. I'm gonna give this place 5 stars. I just finished cooking the sausages and Vietnamese meatloaf, and now we're going to eat a very late lunch because we already had breakfast this morning. We just make porridge and eat with smoked ham. We haven't had porridge for a very long time, so when we eat it, it actually tastes really good. And I also make something to dip with the porridge as well, to mix with the porridge. It's the fish sauce cooked with pork fat and some spring onion, chili and peppers. It's really salty, so it tastes really well with the plain porridge that we are eating. Still cannot get over the fact that this place is free, no donation required, because there's nothing here say that you need to donate, and there's not even a donation box. But yeah, like where can you find a free camping site that give you power and water, and there is toilets, there's dump point and rubbish? Absolutely cannot fault this area. The only downside is there's a lot of traveler coming in to dump their waste, so we keep hearing a lot of car coming in, so we just can't complain about that because this place is such a free camp.
Bà cũng hungry luôn. Sao mình lấy con
My love for Bilton cider. They cider are so yummy and no added sugar. It's natural sugar from the apple, and that's it. Cheers! We are currently at Ben Lomond National Park. We want to be here today so that we can do the Jacob Ladder Drive. It's drying up all the way to mountain. And just then I noticed the sign say drone free zone national park, which means we can fly the drone. It's a bit strange because I saw a lot of YouTuber droning the scenery and the shot of this national park. Did they ask permission or did they just risk it? And now I'm not sure what to do because it's so beautiful here. It would be so disappointing if we couldn't get any drone shot. at all. So disappointed that this is a drone-free zone. We just stopped here at the summit of Ben Lomond just for a quick lunch. And we saw a wallaby walk past us. Anyway, this place actually looks so beautiful. I think this is a ski area, but right now it's summer, so there's no snow. All this rock here looks so different. I have actually never seen rocks in the mountain like this. This is feel like we're from another planet. The kind of rocks and mountain that you only see in the movie. Yeah, we're just gonna stop here, enjoy our lunch for a bit, and then drive all the way down. It's quite cold up here, even though it's sunny, but the wind is a bit chilly. They're laughing at us so fast.
Evie, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Once I caught a fish alive, then I let it go again. Cause it bit my finger so, then I let it go again. Oh, because it bit my finger so, then I let it go again. Because it bit my finger so.
Are we there yet?
Evie's starting to talk in sentences now. Stringing together words. caught a fish alive.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Then I let it go again
Why did it go?
because it bit my finger. So
Where did it go?
this little finger on my right.